Hello friends, welcome to the Variant World. Hope you all are doing good. Today I am going to make white sauce pasta. For that I have taken penny pasta. It is easily available anywhere in the market. I have taken 2 cups of penny pasta and I have measured this with this cup. Now we are going to put the pasta for boiling. We have to boil the pasta only 80%. Do not overcook it. We are going to put water on it. Now when we have kept the pasta for boiling, we are going to put half spoon of salt. For 2 cups of pasta, you can take 4 to 6 cups of water and boil it. So we have kept our pasta for boiling. By the time we'll saute these vegetables which I have taken. I have taken capsicum. You need to cut the capsicums like this. Onions, some mushrooms and the corns. You can take the vegetables of your choice. Now we are going to saute the vegetables. For sauteing the vegetables, we are going to put 2 spoons of oil. I have already switched on the gas and it's on the medium flame. Now as we can see, our oil is done. Now we are going to put the vegetables. Keep the flame on slow. We are going to put all the vegetables inside the pan. Now we are going to saute it. You don't have to overcook it. Just saute it so that crunchiness remains in the vegetables. Put in the low to medium flame. As we can see here, pasta is also boiling. We have to cook it only 80%. Don't overcook it too much. Saute it for 4 to 5 minutes. It's almost done. Now we are going to put some salt over it. That's it. Now we'll turn the flame off and remove all our veggies plate. Now we are going to make the sauce for our pasta. I have taken the same pan. In this we are going to put 2 tablespoons of butter. Keep the gas on slow flame. When it is melted, then we are going to put 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour. In this you have to remember that if you are putting 2 tablespoons of butter, then you will put 2 tablespoons of flour. If you are taking 3 tablespoons of butter, then you have to put 3 tablespoons of flour. Keep stirring it till it changes its color. As you can see, it has changed its color. Now we are going to put 1.5 cup of milk inside this, and I have taken the same cup for the measurement. And keep stirring it so that no lumps are formed. Keep the gas on the slow flame and keep stirring it. Keep stirring it. By the time our sauce is getting cooked, let's see how much our pasta is boiled. So you can lift it with 1 spoon and see. As you can see, this is cutting. That means our 80% of pasta is cooked. At this time, we'll turn the flame off. Now we are going to take a strainer and strain the water. After you have strained the water, put cold water inside it so that it does not stick. You can see our sauce, it is becoming thick. We'll let it cook for some time. Now we are going to put half a tablespoon of salt because butter is already there and butter also has salt in it. 1 teaspoon of black pepper and 1.5 teaspoon of oregano. See the consistency of this. It has become so thick. Nice sauce. Mix it nicely. Now we are going to put the cooked vegetable inside it. And mix it nicely with white sauce. Now we are going to put the pasta. Mix it nicely so that the sauce goes inside each and every pasta. Our sauce is already cooked, so you don't have to cook it for long. Now at this stage we are going to grate some cheese over it. Now as you can see, our pasta is ready. See how nicely it has come with lots and lots of white sauce. Now we'll turn the gas off and we are going to plate it now. Now I'm going to garnish it with oregano and some mixed herbs. But not the least, I'm going to grate cheese over it. Here is your cheesy white sauce pasta.